Wabra bonu yeden and so behaving. On Scramble Life we see no shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small small we dey breathe.
Tani ma Afrika mahle, butani bantu bomqhuba, igama lami ndinguSilindile uMampinga umbhalo kaQoshe. Umntwana ngabe nobo yayifuna bantwana ifuna abadala usenzo. Welcome to another episode of Unscramble Life with Slee. Yes, Mos. We always unscrambling all these scramble things in life because we are all about positives. Guys, thank you so much. And as banzamani nisithini kuni kodwa ndizamani nisithi nje tiyabulela kakhulu ngokungazenzisiyo because we are here where we are tikwazi ukuhlala nabo Black Vein Msipho Mnyama. We understand that because of you guys, you're making it possible. You take your time, you spend your data for us, you share your comments. Niyas builder sikhona nathi ukulungisa lapho silungisa khona all the time. Namhlanje ke guys ngiphethe omunye ubhuti so okhuluma soft, but when it comes to music he's so mean in a good way though. Usibiza ngo Black Vein. Namhlanje we are about to find out ukuthi why engu Black Vein Msipho Mnyama because oqala uyakhanya. And mina ngazi ukuthiwa uMsipho Mnyama kusho ukuthi uye une poison. Angazi ke yena ukuthi why engumsipho Mnyama. Umsipho Mnyama guys ulo uye kuthi ufune kusikwe kuphumele igazi elimnyama, but we're going to learn today. I guess maybe sizoba ne perspective at different. Msipho Mnyama Black Vein
khamba kahle siswami.
Ngiyaphila man unjani?
Hayi mina ngiyaphila wonke khamba kahle.
I'm so curious though, before siqala yonke into, why Black Vein?
But like for sure, but I always get that question which why you chose to be Black Vein.
Yeah.
But like back then I used to call myself Lil Vein. Yabo, cause nakhona kune reason why ngangizibiza ngo Lil Vein.
Okay.
Cause yabo mina ngiseyintwana bengumuntu onemthambo emncane nje yabo, even like ngiya ko doctor mhlawumbe befuna ukuthatha igazi my veins like bezongibopha like engalweni nje for like a long time but still ingabonakali yabo. So manje ke doctor wathi why unemthambo emncane wena? Athi hayi angazi nami kwathiwa kumele ujwayele ukuphuza amanzi yabo and everything. So ngathi mase ngicabanga because I was doing music, very just that ngangaka record and everything.
Oh yes.
But ngangibhala ingoma yabo. So I decided ukuthi I know man, let me just call myself Lil Vein.
So before Lil Vein wawunalo elinye igama?
Yeah, for sure. Lalikhona MK because like Mukelwa my real name.
Yes.
My real name is Mukelwa, so I decided to call myself MK. So babe baningi go MK, I wanted like something different. Yeah, for sure. So I chose Lil Vein. After Lil Vein, I hlala isikhathi ngathi because me
manje I'm no longer little.
Yeah, because I always got that ukuthi like why it's busy on Lil Vein.
Ngathi Lil Wayne like he always goes to Lil Wayne.
Now ukuthi futhi mawusumdala still uyobusa Lil. Ngithi like what's happening?
Yeah.
So then I decided to I know, let me just change lo Lil cause futhi I was doing music ngevenek mina yabo. So I decided to no man, let me just change. Ngibona ukuthi ngalishintsha kanjani leli gama cause already abantu bebelithanda le gama le Lil Vein cause bebengibiza ngo Vein actually. Bebekeep uLil Vein. Yeah, so decided I know if I change igama ngawususa kodwa Vein. Then I decided let me just take Black because umuntu omnyama
and you tapping it into even
yeah, for sure. So umthambo omnyama nje une aura, you understand? Une aura umthambo omnyama, so yeah, for sure.
It's a huge name, I don't want to lie, like John in a scene like, and it makes you wonder out of all names Black Vein. Yeah, vampire. Yeah, I understand a bit. I love that man. So now let's go back.
Yeah.
Before Siba Black Vein, let's go back to Umukelwa okhulele eNkandla. How was it as a young boy growing up in Nkandla? You know, prior to everything, dynamics nje ekhaya. How was it?
Like I would say it played like a huge role to me, like ukhulele emakhaya cause I think if ngakhulela mhlambe like emadolobheni like koThekwini angisho ukuthi phela mhlambe abantu mabekhulele koThekwini
abakhulanga kahle
abakhulu kahle yabo but indlela esikhuliswa ngayo emakhaya nendlela abantu abakhula ngayo la edolobheni since ngabona sengihlalele kancane la eGoli yabo ngiyabona ukuthi different kakhulu because emakhaya first thing tokuqala inhlonipho ihamba phambili
yes wonke umzali wakho
wonke umzali wakho but la eGoli umzali unengane yakhe kuphela wayithinta nje umunye umzali ezama ukuyiqondisa yabo sekuzoxatshwana ngesazwana yabo and everything so sikhule ngenhlonipho emakhaya nazinto bezizenza nje like childhood like nje it was crazy yabo because we used to play ziningi izinto bezizenza because thina bedlala namantombazane sonke yabo like nje bengenakho ukuthi I know amantombazane azokwenza into yawo nathi senza into yethu besithathana nje njengosisi nobhuti yabo singanandaba ukuthi ubulili buthini yabo nje like besithana kahle nanesikole ke ikole zasemakhaya ehlukile nezala because sashawa emakhaya like yaqondiswa igwegwe yabo ayikho indaba ukuthi hayi manje uzobophisa uthisha and everything ayikho leyo because esikoleni uthisha usuke
umzali futhi yeah
so like ibidlala nje izinto eziningi like empilweni yami nje indlela engikhule ngayo even noma sengiba umukelwa nje straight because there is a big difference between umthambo omnyama
yes nomukelo exactly that is why we starting from umukelwa before Black Vein
so nje bengikhule vele nginama siblings bewusisi oyedwa then bese ukuthi ama twin brothers
bese ba when
bese
so when we last born when
why is okay so ukuthi last born for sure I'm the last born
because okay so ulandela amawele
mina ngilandela amawele
ngesixhosa sikubiza ukuthi uyimfusi yini ngesizulu
izulu imfusi showcase
so uyimfusi
wow
so I grew up being told ukuthi imfusi yona ehlupha ukudlula amawele
for sure because even ngisengane nje mabesho wona because nami ngiyazazi ukuthi bengihlupha ke vele khona lenkani nje ukuba ulast born yabo but uma olethu nokungixoxela even now angitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngisengane nje like ngisemncane impela ngisayiswe crash ngisaqala ukuyiswe crash uma inokuthi engiyise esikoleni ngitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngifuni le crash yakho mina yabona futhi labana bangihlalisa nje nabantu engabazi yabona nje like ngangasifuni isikole ukuthi why ngangihlupha like ngisemncane but like sengisekhaya nje hayi no bengahluphi because ngahlala kancane la eGoli then ngamuvela emakhaya khona semncane futhi yabo then ngakhulela emakhaya so angikhumbuli mina ngingapha eGoli ngisengane for sure
and then you've got a beautiful smile
you
do you have a beautiful smile I should put it out there like umuntu ngathi wakwafaka ama braces type of thing you know
but should style
I know you've got a beautiful smile so now njengoba usho ukuthi so la eGoli uyayuma uyena wakuthatha kusekhaya so ukhula nobani ukhula nogogo nomkhulu ekhaya
nomkhulu asitholanga ichance ukuba nomkhulu yabo because umkhulu passed away I think kwase kuzozala obhuti bami yabo so sasizwe nje ukuthi akukhona umkhulu kanje wayiphoyisa yabo nezithombe sibona izithombe but sikhule nogogo gogo nje ubedlala yonke irole yabo because ube umama ugogo for sure because nobaba vele beseGoli so like nje ubenza wonke yabo like and kumnandi ukukhulisa ugogo for sure bayazi abanye ukukhulisa ugogo nje kumnandi like
you get away with things
kakhulu so nje nakhona kwadlala irole enkulu kakhulu because like wasifundisa ukuyimela because ugogo bengena lo muntu lakhe othanda ukuhluleka for sure wasifundisa like ukuthi ukwazi ukuyimela nanoma yini eqalile kumele uyiqede akwazi ukuthi nje usuqalile into awusayiqedi yabo so ngikhule kanjalo
so according to ugogo ayikho nje into ebizwa ngefail you'd rather do it again until you get it right.
Yeah, for sure,
Yeah.
cause bengabelieve nje kutheni nje ayinto iyayeko ayiseqalelwe ayiqeda cause bekwazi even nanokuthi gogo like bengasebenzi yabo be traditional healer futhi like hola nanempesheni cause thina sithe sifika nje vele ube seyihola
mdala, yes.
But like izinto ebezenza like ubona ukuthi umuntu lo yakwazi ukwenza cause akasebenzi phela into ayetholayo imali like isibonelelo sahulumeni impesheni then nale mali ke phela egrant esuke iphuma from thina yabo but like ubekwazi ukwenza izinto like besingasokoli nje like emakhaya yikho into ekuthiwa inhlupheko ngasho kanjalo cause omunye umuntu engabuka yena uthi okay bayahlupheka lapha thina
normal yes
siyahlupheka it was normal nje ukuthi okay kuyatshalwa even ngisho esikoleni ijezi masuweni nembobo nje la it's cool akunake ngihamba ngiyofunda kube right man noma athi wasesinembobo isicathulo makunethi izulu nje limati isokisi thina nje simnandi siyajabula like yabo emakhaya so phela simakhaya imnandi kakhulu like yabo just that phela mase kufanele uphume uyozama ke kufanele ushiye ekhaya for sure
so now how long have you been in Joburg?
It's been ngizoqeda 2 years no like ngihlala
la. Okay, let's go back. When did you realize when there's this thing in you your craft like unesiphiwe sinjena? When did you know ukuthi man okay there's this thing ukuthi you know ukuthi you have this and then you hear people saying you got this and then there's a time now of like damn man I got this, you know, that aha moment, you know. So I want you to start from when did you realize to what was the feedback from people and now you knowing what black vein.
But mina like I always had like Leo feeling Leo from Dala.
Okay.
Since I was a kid. Okay, well I'm still a kid, but
yeah,
for sure. Like ngisemncane vele because mina I used to listen to abo KO back then, like hip hop more of hip hop.
Okay.
Abo KO Nasty C, Musicaholic, baningi. But we used to listen to KO cool. Abo. So now at man figure lento ukuthi no I wanna do music cause mina I didn't have anything good like yabo ekhaya behlezi benama careers wabo ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthi ama career choices wabo ukuthi okay ngifuna ukuba yilokho nalokho mangenze kuloko kuzoba yilokho but mina I didn't have like ukuthi ngifuna ukuba i lawyer noma yini and I realized that ngicabanga ngangenza grade 5 2015.
Okay.
Mase ngiqala nje vele sengibhala ingoma ngiyazi izingoma ukuthi mangibhala khona content yakho ngiyacabanga ukuthi because othisha vele bahlezi benika leyo pressure ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini mhlambe like on LO yabo khona izinto kufundwa ngama career
short term goal long term goal career what yeah
so nabe ngibuza ukuthi ngifuna ukuba yini ngiyacabanga ukuthi ayibo mina vele ngifuna ukuba yini mase ngikhulile nje ngimdala like I didn't have something yabo kwasho ukuthi inkabi zami ke vele izona ziyasho ukuthi ngifuna ukuba yini inkabi yami yathi yona ufuna ukuba i-pilot athi mama ngeke uthi ngithi ngifuna ukuba i-pilot but like okay ngayifaya emqondweni ukuthi I know ngifuna ukuba i-pilot after unyanga ngicabanga lento ngathi I know akuyona into engayikhethela yona le into engayikhetha ngoba umuntu oseduze kwami wayethi mina ngifuna ukuba i-pilot nami agcina sethi okay ngifuna ukuba i-pilot because babehlezi manje ngibuza ekhaya ngithi angazi yabo cause kwaku awkward ukuthi abuza ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini masumdala wena uthi awazi then ngabona ukuthi okay music ngangithanda kakhulu and like ngase ngiqala ngithi ebudini vele nokuthi music uyaphilisa yabo baningi abantu abaphila ngetalent yabo so nami I had the thing ukuthi I know nami sengikhulile ngifuna ukuba like umculi because ngiyayithanda lento music so nje vele ngangithi ngibhala ingoma ngiperforma even ngisho kwi-assembly ngangiyithemba vele ukuthi I know me I'm gonna make it kunyama kubomvu noma athiwa abaphili vele kumina abantu I'm gonna make it for sure. So nganginayo nje lo nto leyo back then 2015 yabo.
I like
So,
that.
Yeah, but
And we are here today.
Yeah, for sure.
Kumnyama kubomvu.
Kumnyama kubomvu.
I like
And
that, man.
inside.
And at that time, do you have people though who amafenyana phela?
Hey, yabona it's tough ngisho futhi wonke ama-artists lento leyo ukuthi hlezi uqala mfethu kungekho abantu abakusupportayo and I don't blame leyo nto leyo ukuthi hlezi wenzeka kanjalo because no one owes you support. Iqiniso lemsulwa ukuthi no one owes you support. Nawe lapha emakhaya bethu uma ukuthi ufuna ukuqala into like uthi abantu abakusupport, no, just focus on your thing. Bazokusupporta bethu, akekho umuntu okwelete i-support even ngisho umndeni wakini yabo. Mawungakusupport, just do your own thing. Khona abantu abazokusupporta. So
You just said that to me, yes. Thank you for that.
yeah, for sure. Because
Thank
like
you.
iqiniso limsulwa thanks
Yeah.
to Leon Gumede. Ngayizwa ngoLeon Gumede leyo nto leyo ngaqala ngayifaka emqondweni ngathi I know. And ukhuluma iqiniso like elimsulwa bethu yabo. So kade ngisakuphuma.
Yes, the fans.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
do you feel ukuthi hayi unamafenyana support and all that?
I didn't have fans.
Yeah.
Eqinisweni because like those were my schoolmates.
Yeah.
Yabona. So ma wenza into nje lapha kwi-assembly because we performing kwi-assembly. Back-hype nje kuphela. But akekho umuntu ozothi ngiyakusupporta ngempela. I-support mina aqale kahlahle uyibona ukuthi bakhona abantu abangisupporta ngempela. Even now abasangama-followers ami ngithi mangibabona ku-Facebook ngithi this bro is still tapped in since from 2018.
Wow.
Abang yabo. Like i-career ungabonana nokubonakala nje ngaleso sikhathi because like 2018 like sengiqala ukuvula i-page lami la Facebook yabo.
Yeah.
Ngaqala ngabona ukuthi okay mangipost ukuthi okay ngiqeda ukurecorda iphi ingoma ngizoyidropa sadropa ngo-WhatsApp khona lento ukuthi uthi urecord ingoma uyisendele abantu ngo-WhatsApp yabo kodwa uthi udropile khona yabo lo Shandis le.
Yeah.
So yokhona vele abantu abatheped mhlambe 1-2 lapho mawuposta uhleze kulikela uthole lo 2 likes because angazi bekuyini kaze kade ngichecka nama post amadala ngiyabona ukuthi khona abantu ade betheped ngalesi sikhathi bethu yabo. Ngiyabona ukuthi bakhona abantu abangisupporta ngalesi sikhathi but babe bancane but no i-fan base inkulu but omunye umuntu ongaphezulu kwami vele mhlawumbe ngibona ngathi i-fan base.
Of course, I hear
but
you.
like kukhulu mfethu omunye umuntu ngathuthela ngaphandle like has 9 monthly listeners yabo. Appreciate that mina ngak-appreciate lokho even saseno 9 monthly listeners ngiposte khona ngisho screenshots I do have screenshots ngisano 9 monthly listeners yabo. So ngiposte ngithi yabo lo 9 monthly listeners usazophenduka u-9,000 usazophenduka u-90,000 for sure because right now I'm sitting on 30 maybe 14k, I'm not sure because ngigcine ngisaku-13 because ayakhuphuka nje yabo. So from low 9 to close to 14k monthly listeners yabo. So it's crazy because ikhona ingoma engidrophile yashaya 1 million like streams across all digital platforms.
Please mention it.
I-Controller, shout out to Maraza and Lo-Fi for pulling through kule ngoma because kwaba khulu kakhulu Maraza. I've been listening to Maraza since ngiseyintwana. Sirapha ngisho ingoma zakhe esikoleni sithi hayi amavesi ethu la.
Yeah. Futhi esikoleni ngosikhathi abakwazi lokho.
Yeah, abakwazi lokho.
Yeah.
Ingoma zakhe eyithwinto anonzima. Ngisho ukuthi but so nje what might ufuna ukusibhala nami ngajabula kakhulu and that song for me it was big because angi-introduce kubantu abaningi. Yeah, for sure. But 1 million bundles, 1 million streams across all digital platforms. Shout out.
Sebong. And then now, you knowing very well then, Wuti, this is what you want to do. You believed in yourself and you knew that we're going to be here today.
Yeah.
Was it not affecting your academics schooling?
I know. I think mhlambe after vele esikoleni it was not that serious.
Okay.
Yabo music babengasithatheli serious angako vele.
Futhi nje emakhaya kumamela umaskandi isikhathi esiningi
Yeah,
nje.
for sure, excuse me.
Yeah.
For sure, emakhaya enkandla maskandi.
Yeah.
Bayazi nabo
Bona
maskandi.
rap nyana
And they
afro
are
what
doing hip hop, you are rapper lana. Because besa rapper nje kabike nje futhi.
Yeah.
Hey manje vele bakhona like fethu angasho ukuthi if into yakho yabonakala la yakhona hlezi uyithola support.
True.
Bakhona abantu abebona ukuthi hayi this
There's
boy is going to be big
something,
and
yeah.
khona uthisha owangitshela even namanje usahlezi ngitshela ngisana even ngisho number yakhe wangitshela 2021 yeah kwaku 2021 bathi wangibizela office lakhe wathi as Poison I see you with this thing of music and I see ukuthi usazoba istar lapho nje ngiyazi ukuthi ayi mina ngacabanga nje ukuthi mhlawumbe khona nje uthisha ungangitshela leyo nto le because othisha babehlezi bekutshela ukuthi focus in school kohla umnye lezinto
music it should be a hobby
and ukhona wangitshela straight nje sasenza umatric le nto lehlezi ngifundliziyo ukuthi wangitshela ukuthi hayi khohla nje lento yomculo khohla nje it was like it's like ngangitshela kanjani ukuthi ngikhohle ngephupho lami and lo ngaphinda ngakhumbula ukuthi no Mr Ndawo wangitshela ukuthi when are you going to be a star ngisenza like grade okay it was grade 11 yeah for sure grade 11 wangitshela ukuthi and wabatshela nabaseklasini wathi wayehlezi nje yisho lento kancane ethi that boy is going to be a star. Shuthani naye kuseyimanje ngoba futhi
nizothola ireference ngoba masaka lapha yana uzosho ukuthi wena wamazi from here ingabi ngathi uyaclaim.
And now like he's tapped in because ade ngikhuluma nje naye nje einsukwini uyangitshela ukuthi hayi boy I'm proud of you because even intwana la engikhona ko Richards Bay even nakhona inkandla uyabona ukuthi zip-tapped in music wami and I inspire intwana eziningi yabo so proud ngaleyo nto le because ngahlangana naye even ngisho ngifike evarsity okay uthi ngiqale ngiphendula umbuzo because ngathi okay bingangi-affecta boy esikoleni I think mhlambe yang-affecta evarsity sengifike evarsity because ngiluze i-funding ngeNSFAS sengenza second year yabo so then okay vele mama ngifika I was doing the thing ukuthi ngifocusele esigele kuphela then khona event yafika yokuqala wathiwa ya perform mina I was tapped in with everything uma qhamuka something nje ngiyangena ngizokukhombisa italent la then bangitshela ngazo performa for the first time yabona ingane zayingangazi mina ngiyayithulela ke
awusele ukuthi do you know who I am
no ngiyayithulela nje mina impela yabo cause even like eclassini babe ngibona nje njengomuntu nje wayefike ngena nje kwi lecture aphuma ngesikhwama sami nje ngithi khuluma nengibaziyo ngami yabo so like abanye babe tapped in like abantu mabe ngibona ngiperform bathi ayibo kanti uyacula awona like I crowd nje because babeyenza into yabe esikoleni beperform abanye but when I came through the crowd was crazy.
They felt you
and I saw it like maybe I'm the chosen one. Why kufike perform bonke labantu then mase kuzoperforma mina bonke abantu they are tapped because like they were doing different what's this called sengikhohle ukuthi ibizwa ngale Shandi Step but kwakhona abenza khona ngisho abacula ikwaya yabo
okay so it was different genres and everything
so mina ngangena perform hip hop so manje like it was awkward khona ngisho abantu abagqoke nje ingubo zesonto ukurepresenta ilokhunjani ngiyacabanga ukuthi so perform hip hop khona abantu abagqoke ezishandisa bo zesonto yabo because mina I respect isonto kakhulu because ngikhuliswe nangesonto yabo so but bayithanda kakhulu babona nabo begxuma
so beya hype lapho bezambathweni zabo
so after that event khona lapha esigele then mama sikwenza i-freshers ntonto like uku-accept ama-freshers wachazela ukuthi kusetshenzwa kanjani la evarsity then nawo egcineni MC usezothi akekho umuntu owazi ukucula la ngabona bengibuka abantu like abasebengibonile vele ngiperform ayibangikhomba ayi manje ngishaya uvalo ngisayibola abantu benzani that's why woza la songs zocula lapha ngathi ayingeke nkabi yamcela uyofaka ingoma yami lapho ngiperforme kokungcono because like I can't sing nje wazi ukuperform. I'm a great performer but okay just do your own thing but I perform lapho from lapho khona abantu abaningi because even my video ya trend ngaleso sikhathi evarsity because after ngiperformile nje angihlezi ngithola ukuthi hayibo akuwena mjidala wade uperforma lapha.
So which varsity were you at?
UKZN PMP.
Okay.
So yabo like kwasukuba into nje ukuthi vele sebeyangazi esikoleni ukuthi ngiyacula ngiyenza but bingangiphazamisa scale. It's just that course engangiyenza.
Yayiphi faculty wawuyenza then?
Bachelor of Science.
Okay. Ooh, yeah.
So manje ikwakufiwa lapha.
Yebo isiqenqe mfana wena wenza Bachelor of Science isiqenqe.
Ngangikhethelo yabo mina.
Sengisho khona ukuthi uyisiqenqe for you to qualify for that faculty. It means that you are brilliant. Don't take that light. Because not everybody ukhona ukufika kule faculty ye science. You need to have really good marks to get there.
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Yes.
So nje yabo kwabe lezi zinto ukuthi kunzima and everything yabo because first year it was great ngaphasa nje kahle then second year ayiwaqala nje izinto nje zashintsha because mina ke benginika sonke isikhathi music ngunike nesikole nasingisinike isikhathi saso sonke yabo. Mangisuke ngenza nje music ngenza nje for lelo viki lelo uma ukuthi nje ngenza ingoma la ngifree khona ngenza lutho then ngiyabhala because bebazi ukuthi lo mjito lo une studio sakhe because not like really a studio, bedroom studio, laptop une microphone because I even bought i-studio vele ngaye imali like NSFAS ingane zithi ithenga umswenko lapha ngathi I know let me just take this money ngithenge izinto zokurecorda because I know mina ukuthi yini ngiyithandayo yabo. Yeah, so angizazi ukuthi ngifuna then phela kwenza but ngikuthatha ngokuthi wawuyicebo lamdala ukuthi ngiluze funding ngaye NSFAS because from there ioledi la ngitshela ukuthi we can continue with this thing of your music because yabo supportive kakhulu ma oledi yabo. So wathi because yabo kunalento ukuthi umuntu mhlambe mayiphuma evarsity aqale uSpan afuna iSpan nje nyana wathi hayi noma angasifuni iSpan nje yabo because lento ye music I think ukuthi iphazamiseke na uzophazamiseka. So okay, which means
because I was about to ask what how did your parents receive this thing yokuthi manje wena NSFAS umluzile and everything because I'm saying this nami nginomntwana osesikoleni osevarsity so nginokuthuka sometimes ukuthi if aka focus sizokhala mfana
noma ngithi uyafocus but like but bahlezi besho ukuthi evarsity ngisho isiqenqa siphenduka
uma ku level uma normal uma average.
So because bakhona even ngishabayo lozi funding NSFAS babengawenza music for sure.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
So mina ngakuthatha ukuthi ayicebo lamdala because even noma oleda sho leyo nto le anginike ichance ukuthi ngiqhubeke.
And I think that's another thing eyakunika amandla.
Yeah. Ayingathi angisami. Kanti vele ngizothi ngithi ngiyasebenza la. Share remix yengoma Big Zulu. I post on TikTok. A trendy part it's just that's got the young affect but a trendy part yabo.
What do you mean when you say young affect?
Like because mina my target ukuthi ngireach Big Zulu.
Okay.
Yabo, like ngikwazi ukuthi ayibone into
I reach out back.
I reach out back. Not really ukuthi mhlawumbe ngifuna ngisayine just to get the recognition because I know myself ukuthi ngitswempu and angizukuphelela ndawonye so nganginayo leyo nto lokuthi ngifuna nje uPick Pro mayizwa azwi na ukuthi nomfana uyaphila man noma athiwa akuyenzanga lutho ukuthi content ayenzile no just to comment or like to repost bakhona ezofika kibo yabo mhlambe ezongisiza yabo ukuthi mayifakile leso sandla sakhe mhlambe iyovela kwabanye abantu bethi
maybe which song did you remix?
Abazazi bafunani.
Oh yes.
That song ayilindela yaze yaphuma athi yabo mayiphuma ngabe ngidownload ingoma faka khona le Shandis le vocal remover AI
Yeah.
ngomeni khiphe the beat I record I post sakudlala nakhona because umjita umayiqeda kuthenga iPhone yabo
Yeah.
so then lo iPhone leyiqeda kufika ngalo lo suku lo thathi inkabi yami ngeke asamsobona ukuthi ishutha kanjani mina lapho sengiyirecordile le Shandisa bayazi bona yabo then okay ayingishaye video because ngangawazi even ngisho ama lyrics kahle ngithi abangishuthe kwasho ukuthi vele kuzoqhamuka inkabi yami eshuthayo kuyimanje yabo sathi inkabi yami mfethu nawe sicela usawushuthayo ngashutha leyo clip nyana hawo mayifika emsebenzini wangisendela cause wayispan wangisendela then ngayi-edita nganginesikhathi sokuposta ngathi 4:30
4:30 wasekuseni
no
late okay
4:30 cause ikhona ivideo yami ngayiposta nga 4:30 ngayibona ishaya 8,000 cause 1,000 likes ivela kancane kuthi yabo so yasha 1,000 likes ngathi no let me just post ngalesi sikhathi njalo so mangiposta cause ngumuntu ohleze post eyiphumele ku TikTok cause ngiyawazi ama video amayihamba kancane back then yabo so mangipostile after 2 hours ngithi I know ukuthi ngicheck cause ku WhatsApp nakhona into engiyiposta ku TikTok ngiyiposta ku WhatsApp so ku WhatsApp abantu babelokhu bereshare yabo like nje bebaningi abantu abayigcobayo nje belokhu bethi ayingeke veindo yashisa le Shandisa manje ngiyabona abantu bayipost ivideo yami abanye bayisave ku TikTok nxa ukuthi what's happening yabo ngithi I know let me just go check on TikTok manje ngiyangena in 2 hours angikhumbula kahle kodwa over 1,000 angisakhumbuli noma yayisi close to 2,000 likes ngithi ayibo in 2 hours mina ngazi ngashala ama like amangaka yabo ngaba nenye into ngathi hayi no mayithi ngicheck ama comments abantu ke balimazana lokubhethi
big Zulu wanna be
no mhlambe abanye bethi cause khona wafaka comment wathi ayi senifuna ukumosha ingoma ke manje
yes I hear you
yabo kwasho ukuthi ke vele that video was trending so much bamgibela same time yabo if bezokureplyela wena because mina I don't reply to negative comments yabo abantu bayiphendulela bona bengilwele yabo because it's like ngikunika attention so angiyithandi lonto so shuthi bamphendule bethe musukuba nomona nje intwana entswempu nanani then bese basolo beposta lama comments ukuthi better than Big Zulu's verse yabona na ngangayithanda leyo nto because ngangayifuni comparison yabo because mhlambe yayingeke izimphathe kahle uphuthu omdala yabo so mina into engangifuna nje i-recognition
so how did you feel when he did not respond or comment or whatsoever
phela ngaphatheka but ngaba nalento ukuthi isazohlangana khona la akazungazi ngakhona because vele manje like sihlezi sespace esiyi1 like even noma sikoxolwa cause ngiyasibana nabo xolwa
yes
Maraza cause Maraza there was still listening stage not the scene nabo just like we always together just that nje gaspanwa ngalendlela leyo ukuthi yabo usetshenzwe ukuthi I know ingoma yami nayo
I hear what you mean
ngangifuna lokho mina nje ukuthi ngithole recognition
is that when you knew about this thing ukuthi no one owes you support or it was before
mina ngayazi kudala leyo Shandisa
so it didn't apply at that time masophatheka kabi yayinga applyanga ku at that moment
but ngaphinda ngakhumbula ukuthi I know mfethu izinto zenzeka ngesikhathi sazo so must relax cause abodanya devs umuntu engacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngacomment because he was not tagged evidweni Lwandle Nkulu naye wakhomenta like baningi abantu ababedumile abakhomenta kuleya video because udanya devs futhi babengifanisa
yes you have that thing yana yakhe vele
so like wakhomenta and for me it was crazy because abantu engikhule ngibukela kubona nabo futhi after they came up yabo ngibona ukuthi Black Diamond is too much and ngawuthanda umusic wabo so na comment wakhe wakhombisa ukuthi okay
he sees me he believes me
if umuntu engibukela kuyena ekwazi ukukhomenta kimi engigcobe ngitshela ukuthi boys just keep going uzofika la uyakhona don't give up yabo which means now uyayibona because I've been getting those those comments and anginika lento yokuthi akwazi ukuthi abantu abaningi kanje bebona into eyodwa, which means
there's something. So now tell me now, so uthema indaba yesikolo ingahambi kahle, which I believe ukuthi ama fans manje sozokhona ukuzikhokhela, you're going to go back. Please go get your academics as one of your things, you understand, because there's something here show MTP wephimbo ukuthi get your books right so that kuleyo season wena, because you can blow up now and then the next season you don't, uyazi ukuthi une backup. Asisho ukuthi uhambe uyosebenza umlungu mhlambe full time, but maybe get an opportunity as well to have something that has to do with science that you can do part time, you understand?
For sure.
So ngicela uhambe yolanda lezo ifundo zakho. There are many people who would wish to be in kind of faculties, but their IQ level ayibafikisi lapho, so you have a great thing coming.
For sure, like
and you're still young.
Like since kwenzeka ngathi okay yazini, let me just continue nento engisengakwazi ukuyenza njengamanje. As soon as ngithola amandla, then ngiyabuyela, cause ngishilo ngathi ugogo asifundisa ngabo
ukuhluleka,
so ngistingisana leyo nto le yabo. So ukuya kwami manje bekuzophazamisa lento ehlangana, cause music iyahlangana kakhulu yabo. So I decided ukuthi okay, let me just rest, cause vele ngiyafuna ukugqoka ijazz.
Man.
So kwamanje kurest sithole lokho esikutholayo ngala, then qhubene nengenza.
I love that.
Busy njengamanje, so isikole besizophazamisa.
Yes. Njengoba ushilo ukuthi sometimes uNkulunkulu uyazenza izinto ngendlela yakhe. So I think this is the time that he wants you to pursue your dream so that you can uzinze ke manje, so uyazi ukuthi you are at the level that you wanted to be at, and then go fetch your books. Right?
Sure.
And then now uyasuka ke eNkandla, which was 2 years ago. Coming to stay at Joburg, Alex. How was it now? The change. How did you now adjust from umfana wasemakhaya eNkandla to big city where kune spitty and everything? How did it affect you in a negative and a positive way?
Firstly, ngathi me, I always like had an image ukuthi mhlambe impilo yaseGoli ikanjani yabo. Even nangendlela engafitha ngayo yabo, umuntu wasemakhaya abakwazi ukumbona mayifika eGoli ukuthi ayino umuntu wasemakhaya, but mina angazi ngayithola leyo nto lokuthi kuthiwa umuntu wasemakhaya. Bahlezi bengiphikisa ukuthi I'm from Kandla, because indlela engigqoka ngayo uma sengikhulumayo vele wasingakhuluma uyezwa kumuntu ukuthi hayi no this one ay uNkandla ke. So ngasho ukuthi okay, in a positive way le yabo la eGoli izinto eziningi ziyenzeka, yasebenzeka like kakhulu yabo, because akufani nasemakhaya. First thing oqala nje emakhaya itudo
dololo funa ukuyeThekwini uzithola into right, or uyi-one umuntu ophethe the whole region on a studio. So into oqala iyona leyo kuyasebenzeka ngala, and maningi ama opportunities owatholayo ngala eGoli. Even naseThekwini mawuseThekwini, like oseThekwini ufuna ukuza ngakho ama opportunities ala eGoli yabo. So ukuza la eGoli in a positive way ilokho ngisakubalile yabo. Then in a bad way for sure ngathini impilo yala vele like awuyijwayele yabo, indlela ekuphilwa ngayo, cause and futhi izakhala inkunzi and everything yabo, lezo zinto ekanjalo. So usunaleyo mentality ukuthi iGoli kunobugebengu, so kumele usurvive ngendlela ungasurvive ngayo. Naleyo nto leyo na ukuthi ke as yabo like usingakufihla vele like ungakuvezi in public, but like kuyaphandwa eGoli, like kuyaphandwa eGoli
yabona nje like futhi mama usukusanga ama-artist la
Up and coming, yeah.
If uza mhlawumbe una family okay mina already i-wallet lami lingayi gold but I didn't want the thing ukuthi ngine backup ngifuna ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyimela yabo so I decided ukuthi I know ngingafocus nje ukuthi okay nginomuntu ongayi gold but ukuze ngizokwazi ukuyimela sihlale sodwa thina sibone ukuthi impilo singayenza kanjani so
like that.
Some of the things vele izokwenzeka ukuthi ugcine ubone yathi no man yazi mhlambe nje it was a wrong decision
of coming this or more feel overwhelmed, right? Yeah. And then have you ever been in a situation where uthi kodwa yazi uma if wayithe ngizohlala naye la eGoli kudala kube my career will be way far now lapho khona if maybe I was vele ngihlale naye la eGoli kube mhlawumbe ngikude kabi manje has it ever come across your mind?
I know cause like uma already wayifuna ukuhlala nami cause like umuntu ongahlalanga nezingane zakhe yabo cause wayesebenza so ama-twin brothers wathathwa nawo ayiswa emakhaya then what mayethola mina umuntu like ayifuna ukuhlala naye mangicabanga because like wayenaleyo nto lokuthi hayi no ngicela ukuthi ezohlala ngapha but sasiba u4 but kuma siba u3 yabo so like why kuzothathwa mina kuyekwe la abanye yabo so ugogo wayengenayo leyo nto lokuthi khona ingane ethanda
and at the very same time I think if wena wawuzohlala noma ngapha abanye basale I think you would feel like your brothers are strangers
because like ukukhula nabo kungenze ngafunda izinto eziningi nenani ukubambisana niyakwazi ukubambisana nabantu and njengoba ngishilo ukuthi if ngakhulela eGoli mhlawumbe ngaba ngina lo Blackville mhlawumbe because like bakhona abantu like ababewuthanda umusic bese bawenza but bagcine bephazamiswa izinto zala eGoli izinto ezenzeka
dakamizwa and stuff
for sure bakhona nami ngicula nabo sasipusha nabo but abasakwenzi because like bona babehlala ngave mina bengahlali ngani so mina bengifika nje makuthi ngifike
uzovakasha
then ngivayo but imina kuphela umuntu osawenza
one man standing
so I feel like ukukhulele emakhaya mhlawumbe kungivimbe into eningi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe khona izinto engizenzayo engafana ngabe ngazenza yabo engangivimba umusic na ukuthi nje ku-influence kakhulu like i-career yangu umusic ukuthi indlela engicula ngayo na indlela indlela engigqoka ngayo is like
the same
yeah but like excuse me but indlela engicula ngayo obvious
nangendlela okhuluma ngayo nendlela oziphatha ngayo it's iyasho ukuthi uthole i-foundation yasekhaya
yeah for sure
you remind me of my son athi so ula NWU so bakhuluma ke isuthu lapho afunda khona and he said yo mama ekunzima balapha yeah now it's confirmed hayi ndingufam Julius ndingufam boy you know because naye ukhulele ekhaya but I think it was the best thing that I could give him because as much as yes uzo-adapta kwezinye izinto and everything but there will always be that voice, there will be always that solid thing that will ground you yabona I believe so, it's my opinion. And now I want to know as now besikhuluma ubungitshela nge studio camping the studio camping don't you feel ukuthi let's say mina ngithe kuwena I'm the one who's hosting a studio camping for the whole week and obviously you'll be around other people, annoying people, lamadlaba and all of that. How do you contain and okay, I'm here to work, even if you feel yo, I want to be in my place, but now we need to work. What grounds you, what keeps you going in such instances?
Because like even mina nje asuke nje kuvuka ekseni bangicasula nje kuvuka ekseni yabo because like kuyenzeka vele like khona izinto ezenzakalayo but as amajita thini izinto siyilungisa fast
yeah.
asinayo lento lokuthi uzothula ke manje awuthula it's like umbambela igqubu umuntu
and then very same time umvulela ukuthi aqhubeke enze lento le ndiyakulimaza
uyamtshela umuntu okay uma kuzoba nenkinga uyamtshela ukuthi okay my prophet noma umdonsele sayidini ungazenzeli phambi kwabantu because mhlawumbe uma umtshela phambi kwabantu
nayizokunikeza i-attitude
face ngaye bese mhlawumbe kugcina sekuliwa and everything but like ukuzazi ukuthi uzokwenzana wena lapho yabo because abanye abantu bashesha ukudikile ngathi uthe ngavele edikile nje studio camp mhlawumbe sisanda kuqala nje ngiyahamba mina
and more especially uthola ukuthi umuntu wakho uyazazi ukuthi unswempu vele
for sure because number uma bengibizile bangibizela ukuthi okay ngizoshaya production ngishaye nama vocals so banenhloso ukuthi bengibize nami ngine role engizoyidlala mase ngihamba leyo role ingasayidlalanga which means akukho ukubambisana yabo so like nje into kanjalo like
do you think kule industry ukubambisana kukhona and what's your take in this thing yokuthi those who have made it laba balaphana phezulu abanama record label do you think really they do come through for our fellow brothers and sisters when it comes to kule industry or bona bafuna ukufika wena vele sewulendile do you think they really mold us as ama artist or whatsoever that we add
engathini vele but like okay ngiqale ku unity because
unity
vele unity ngasho ukuthi ayikho uzoyithola vele lapho
they will only unite with you because of they know they're going to get something from you
ngasho kanjalo because like ezinye izinto vethu singayifihla ezinye izinto singayikhuluma but like okay noma athi usuyifihlile but iqiniso yabo because iunity ngicabanga ukuthi sekukhalwe ngayo kakhulu nje like music industry ukuthi ayikho ofuna ophethe ukudla ufuna ukudla yedwa akacabangela ukuthi okay khona nabanye abantu yabo and unity is this more of like okay mangimbiza lo mjita lo uzothatha lento enginayo what if ngiyambiza ngithi akazothatha lokho enginakho avela kuthathe konke ke manje ezedlulele nginesho ukuthi basaba lokho abantu yabo that's why ingekho iunity angakuthi okay ngizothi ngiyamsiza lo muntu lo bese yabo enze kuze
kudlule
yabo so ngasho na kanjalo ukuthi ayikho because of that na ukuthi ke ngathi unakeka if usuyi something bakhona vele obhuti abakunakayo ukuthi okay ilentwana iyeza okay sithatha sondeze sayidini bakhona vele even nakumina bakhona ngaba menshina nje impela kuzo kushonila but like bakhona but bakhona nje abazoyithulela ukuthi hayi no sathule nje siyabuka
sibuke sibone ukuthi uzophela lapho somsondeza mase sibone ukuthi sekuvuthiwe sesizodla
then uma sukhamukile ke then bese bakusondeza
bazabona sebezophaka
but like mina like I told you ukuthi akekho umuntu okweleta support so nabo like akunankinga nento abasuke beyenza because like kunezinto zakhe naye obviously so akekho umuntu osekweleta kahle
I like that. Now tell me, your highlights kule industry, like right now as I'm talking to you, what was that best performance so far? Ogiovanai.
Like performance, okay. This one is a bit challenging because ngiye ngashaya itour nabo mjolisi nonaleti aphiwe yabo beshaya uKZN like nje last month ngisakhumbula so ukuthi yona ngingayibona ngathi yabo ibe nama best performances cause like me going back home like eKZN yo performer khona and see how abantu being support because I didn't have the thing mina ukuthi I have a huge fan base ngalendlela le enginayo ngayo but ngazi ngayibona ngayo cause nginokucheck ama followers ngithi okay 60 something K followers. Ay, nah, I got big because me, I don't have a hit. Okay, well, I was featured on Umthwalo by Aspo. Khona comments kunomthwalo ngisinde mahlombe. Yeah. So I was featured on that song. But I think on YouTube you have about 300k, I know 300k, 400k. Me, I don't have like ingoma like yaba mhlawumbe nkulu kakhulu yabo kanjalo ngaphandle like we controller from my side la ngisho ukuthi na 1 million across all digital platforms. So like perform kwami like ngifika nje ukuthi even ngiposter like ukuthi ngiyeza kuphi already so khona abantu abathi sikulindele vele because before cause ngangise hotel yabo before ngize ngiyoperforma elokhunjaneni ikuphi ise-Edgewood ngayithanda ke yase-Edgewood nase-Westville yabo. So mangisa live cause I was still recording cause mama ngihamba everywhere I go ngihamba nase-studio yabo. Mangifikele umuzwa nje ukuthi ngashaya ingoma eshaya ingoma sa live lapho awukhona abantu hayibo kanti wena uzini e-Edgewood like why use-studio recording ngithi which means la bantu ba-tapped in phela yabo. So even isho ngifika khona because khona enye inkabe kuthiwa uThemba lo ngangazi ke ukuthi uyi-big fan yami yabo because mangifika lapha inkabi yangitshela nje ukuthi I'm a big fan of your music yabo. Inkabi yami nje yabo. So nje like ngiyafika ngithi okay kahle Dubane zakhipha ndoda even like ama content creators okhabaja sasinabo lapha batheped nje yabo bangama followers wami ngiyasho ukuthi ayibo futhi kahle have a huge fan base yabo. So perform kwami lapho ngikhombisa ukuthi I know I really have a huge fan base and ngathanda ama performance angathanda ngedwa because even na team amjolis after iphelile tour bangitshela ukuthi I know man you're doing great even though you're doing Afropop hip hop but wenza like mfethu indlela owenza ngayo indlela ohlonipha ngayo indlela operforma ngayo yabo like nje uyakwazi ukusebenzisana nabanye abantu
because abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi i-hip hop it's all about motherfucking shit what hey naked hey p word d word and everything not all hip hop like I know abantu abadala nje the moment to hip hop bacabanga ukuthi it's all about cursing words and what would you want to say uba convince umama right now ozwa ukuthi wena u-black vein and wenza hip hop.
Hey man, but like it's different. Khona vele abawenza lo music hip hop yabo lo. But me I'm different and ngasho ukuthi it's more of Java. Yeah. Cause uSjava anginesho ukuthi ayibancane abangamazi. Abantu abadala even bayamazi uSjava. Umusic wethu matured kakhulu so nanoma ubawuyalalela even ishingane encane. Yabo cause like yilento engayibona ngami ukuthi even ngisho umuntu omdala mina nginokuhlangana labantu abadala bethi ngiyi-biggest fan yakho. Xa umuntu omdala uthatha TikTok man. Uthatha Facebook, Instagram uyibuka kanjani. So ngabona ukuthi okay music wami awukhethi like umature yabo so angeke ngikwazi ukuconvince abazali
so ayina PG umusic wakhe awuna PG ukuthi mawufuna ukumlalela uvalela ingane ekamereni like it was so beautiful watching a performance ka Big Zulu where umntana stage where wazo performa naye. And then those are the kind of things be like, you see, this is the kind of music that it's so accessible. You don't have to cringe. Music wakhayo, music ongeke usabe ukuthi ulalele na ingane yakho. Yeah, so I hear you. I understand. Yes. And then if you were given a chance, obviously, I liked when you said, hayi kodwa ngazitshela ukuthi sisazohlangana masikhuluma ngobhuti omdala but what I wanna know if you were given a chance now in a second could you mention 5 artists local ungasebenza nabo and then mention 5 international ungasebenza nabo, who would you pick just 5. I'm not saying abekho abanye.
Okay.
And angifuna abanye abantu baphatheke kabi but njengoba ngisithi ngisafuna ukusebenza no Black Vein akangibalanga. I'm just saying like now on the top of your brains.
Engifuna ukusebenza nabo. What if ngisafuna ukusebenza naye but sengisebenzile naye?
It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Phela you can do more if so sebenzile nawe.
But baningi.
Just 5. Angifuna abaningi.
Okay, obviously oqala Big Bros Java.
Okay.
Yeah. Wesibili Black Diamond.
Kanjani?
Like
are they still planning to work as Black Diamond? Cause ngiyazi ukuthi uDanya sekenza into yakhe, noNdu sekenza into yakhe.
They said diamonds are forever.
Okay, diamonds forever. Sure.
Yeah,
I like
lokho
that.
engikwaziyo. Okunye esathi but mina they are my bros. Mangikhuluma noMdeva, ngikhuluma noMdeva.
Ngikhuluma noNdu. Yeah.
They are my bros.
Yeah.
Makuthi yabo cause like I really like
the diamonds.
Yeah, vele ngiyamthanda uDanya ngimthanda
No, I hear what you're saying.
But like ne Black Diamond ngiyayithanda because yona yang inspire, so it's why ngithi Black Diamond. Yeah, then K3 banje vele umoya. Okay, this one is tough. Okay. Hey, cause okay. KO.
Okay.
KO.
Yeah. You did mention that you were listening a lot of KO. Yeah.
No Fundo more.
Okay.
I really like music and No Fundo more different kakhulu. So No Fundo more than 2 left. Okay.
Sele one. Yeah, futhi uqedile.
Ngithe Black Diamond nje phela umuntu yedwa.
Mana uthe uSjava.
Java, Black
Diamonds, wathi noMfundo Mo, wathi KO, sele one.
Oh, okay, one.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's go with hey. Bathazi ngihlezi ngilalela umusic umnandi nje. Ubani omunye vele. Okay, let's just go for
ngimfake khoneni guys. Yabona ufila awkward.
Ngifuna ukukhetha lo ngifinde hayi ngeke.
Create a beef out of a chicken.
Ish. Awona. But like okay. I just go with Big Zulu.
Okay.
Then international. Yeah. Hey, Joyner Lucas. I really like Joyner Lucas.
Okay.
Hey, how come I didn't mention Ecstasy? Yo, how come?
Okay. Some move high point.
Yeah. Okay. Joyner Lucas. Okay. Then. International. Drake is too much.
Okay.
Drake. Then who? Okay, Thames.
Oh yeah, Thames. Yes.
Okay. Ubanje futhi omunye. Oh, Kaylin. Kelani.
Yeah. Ukhehlani. Kilani.
So,
yeah.
Then last one. Hey. KG Easy.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Then,
yeah.
And let me just say this Logic.
Okay. I love G-Eazy. I love Drake. I love Kelani. I love J. Cole. I love Kendrick Lamar. Those are my people, but I hear your list.
Yeah.
This is about you. And then, projects that you're working on right now, do you want to share?
I am a
Okay. Okay, basikhuluma ngala sewavezile ke.
Okay. Right now, I'm working on a project. I can't keep manje, but I'm working on a project ezophuma nje very, very, very soon. angeke uphele
asingayibeki time frame.
singayisho.
And then ilokho njani, I know ukuthi benishutha i-music video 2 weeks ago ngithokozisa.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that
Freedom
song.
G,
Angazi ngirishere kangaki Freedom G no M2B wephimbo, yes.
And myself
Yeah,
ngithokozisa. It's dropping soon. For sure, like izoqala as exclusive on Channel O.
Yeah.
Then we drop the song. I really like that song.
Me too.
But like mina yonke ingoma engiyenzayo
ngiyayithanda. And then what I wanted to, how many songs right now are you guys promoting so far? Ingithokozise, and then
besingayi promote yazi.
Njengoba thina sesipromota.
Yazi mina bengangitshela ukuthi promote.
No, abashongo but mina.
Okay, ngithokozise by Freedom G. In Amakilo by myself.
Amakilo, yes.
Featuring Scorpio KPT and Pure Black. Yes. Shout out to my bros. Yeah, my bros is like ngathi usiswa manje naye sengimbiza ngobro, but like usiswa.
Sure.
Nah, but akunaki ngisibizana nangeinkabi.
Yeah.
So like sengajwayela ukubhanga yabo.
Yeah.
Then okay, what's another song I'm promoting? And also I'm dropping ingoma
Okay. Yilo tongue of nibiza ngigama so far.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Bazofuna ukubuza ukuthi ayi ubani ofeatured futhi.
Okay.
Because like I once posted this song and bayithanda kakhulu yabo.
Okay.
So like they've been tapped in. Even if ngipost any video bazo comment section bazobuza ukuthi when are you dropping this song? This song? So it's just that nje ngangisalungisa izinto ezimbalwa
seko right. And then how did you meet your Resonation Records?
Angicabanga ukuthi bangi-reach out to social media, but then cause bazona ne-management yami.
Okay.
So bayasebenzisana. So
what's the name of your management?
Nqolobane.
Nqolobane.
Yeah.
Oh, usebenza nabo Caesar.
Yes.
Oh, Caesars, yes. I know Caesars kakhulu. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. And then how has been the experience Nabo so far? Because I always see you around them sometimes.
Yeah, but it's been great. It's just that besingasebenza kakhulu, but umsebenzi ngasho ukuthi sebenzile, but umsebenzi sawubeke.
Okay.
Like we-evolved.
Okay.
Yabo sebenzile nabo. Like yasebenzeka nje because I'll be performing outside the country for the first time.
When is that?
It's like 27 June. Yeah, for sure. So
you don't want to say where you're going?
Eswatini.
Okay.
Eswatini, like it's been tapped in.
Yeah.
Like since back then, so kade wasebengifuna khona. So
are you ready?
I'm ready. I was born ready.
I was born ready. Konje like this. I was born ready.
Yeah.
And are you open for Rama bookings, and where can people listen to your music, and where can they reach out if they want to book you?
Yeah, for sure. Siqale kumculo phela balekile nomculo. They can stream my music. Okay. Come Black Vein, obvious.
Black Vein, guys, got BLAQ. Vein, Wumsipa, VEIN, yes.
So it's Black Vein on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, everywhere, like on YouTube, Black Vein.
Okay.
Then on TikTok, just for tap in the content. It's Black Vein _SA. On Facebook, it's Black Vein, BLAQ VEIN.
Mm-hmm.
Then on Instagram, Black Vein _official. Low-key letters kuphela ku Instagram na TikTok.
Yeah.
Then they can book me through Lokunjani. Inkinga kuyashintshaniswa. Yabo kufanele bebe tapped in nama pages wami because la ngibhala khona, but right now we're still using i-email ekhona lapha blackvein@gmail.com.
Okay.
Yeah, ikhona inamba khona 081 001 5386. Yeah. 081 001 5386.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And then who you been working with right now? Who you've been cooking with? Kancane nje snippet nyana mfethu. And then shout out to your people, please. That you want to-
Okay. Shout out to my supporters, to my people. Nalaba ngangisupporta basazongisupport. For
Yes.
sure.
Yeah.
Shout out to
Inkab zakho.
Inkabzam. For sure. Shout out to my mom. Leya support yabo. Abazali abasupport because like kuba khulu enganeni yabo ukuthi umzali uyakusupport. So shout out to my mom. Uthepdini kakhulu. Ngisho nje la ngizwe ngiyakhona because uyangifonela mina ngiyena umuntu oposta njalo ama status. Ubona nje sekuthulakile.
Fana nami.
Alright.
Yeah.
Angisaboni ma status nje uposta nje ma video.
Fana nami
Nendawo like
yeah.
ufuna ukwazi ukuthi yabo ngenzani kupnendawo so that mhlambe uma ukuthi ngiwi radio station thizena lalele yabo tapped in nje kakhulu. But ukusebenza ke I've been working with like so many people. So many people.
Yeah.
Kakhulu. But like Nkabi yami nje Scorpio nje first one. Scorpio KPT. Inzima le Nkabi. I've been working with Umaraza, Lo-Fi, Tanya Devs. Ngangithi ngisho le but like Tanya Devs, Ndo Browns. Baning. Xolo Stallion. Uyongixolela nkosami ngasami
Yes.
So ngixolela but like I've been working with like so many people and kusazosetshenzwa kakhulu and yeah, for sure.
And then if you were to go back to apologize to that young boy osemakhaya, mhlambe one thing that you're not proud of, what would you say to him?
Yeah. Okay, let me just think. Okay, for sure, because like masuke sezingane ezinye izinto wonke umuntu namaphutha.
Yeah.
For sure. So whoever mhlambe engamphathanga kahle yabo because phela abanye ngebekutshela yabo ngewazi wena uyitshena ukuthi you're doing your own thing kanti usuphula umuntu umoya yabo. And mina ngikaze ngiwumuntu ohluphayo nje umuntu wabantu. So yeah. Whoever mhlambe ngamxakazisa mhlambe ngathi umphula umoya. Sorry my bro to xolisa umoya. Sonke ngokomoya just dlulisa the thing. Siqhubeke nempilo because if umuntu umbambela igqubu izinto zakhe yabo ayiqhubeki. It's like izima ndawonye. So yeah.
And then what would you wanna applaud him for until this far, that young boy?
Engathini umfisela konke okuhle and for sure impumelelo has to be there and yeah man, like long life. Long live or life or whatever. For sure. Yeah. So umfisela nje nenhlanhla and everything, uthanda abantu, respect. Yeah.
What do you want to be remembered for? Let's say uNkulunkulu yakhumbula kusasa.
I want to be remembered ngomculo wami. Ngasho kanjalo. Nangendlela like engithanda ngawo wonke umuntu appreciate ngawo wonke umuntu because most of people abasuke bengangazi once baqala bangazi bayashintsha indlela abangicabangela ngayo ukuthi yazi wena ngitshena ukuthi uyayitshela yazi wena ngitshena ukuthi uya this and that. So like mina umuntu nje la ohleze khona kuyahlekwa. So ngathi nje like ngahlale ngikhumbula ngokuthi bengijabulisa abantu umculo nanokuhlala nabantu nje kuphela. Yeah, for sure.
I really appreciate that. And is there anything ocabanga ukuthi asikhavanga that is important so far?
Hayi lutho angibuzwanga ukuthi ngijula noba ngiyadlala.
No, I was about to ask, do you believe in love?
No, okay, I do believe in love,
Yeah.
but like, yeah,
Angithanda ukubuza abantu ukuthi bajola noba, because you might say, remember we are documenting right now,
Yeah.
isn't it? And now awushadile, so angithanda ukubuza into ezikanje if you're not committed, right? Because it's something that you would want to watch, and your kids and whoever in the next future. I'm not saying whoever you're with, they are not your future, but angithanda ukufaka umuntu in an awkward situation. Yabo uthola ukuthi kukhona ulirato noTumi noMandisa. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, guys. I hope you understand.
Lutho.
But yes, I just love to ask in that manner, and then it's up to you when yeah, I'm in love with this person, or just believing in love in general. So I always pose it as
I do believe in love kakhulu. Since yabonga ngayena lo muntu wa experience lento ukuthi like ngihlale nomama nobaba ngibone ukuthi uthando kahle into enjani. But like I really do believe in love. Kumnandi ukuthanda bakwethu.
yeah.
Like nje ukwazi ukuthi kunomuntu okuthandayo na umthandayo kumnandi for sure. So ngiyafisa nabo abantu ukuthi bathandane. That's why sibaqhuqhumezela ingoma zothando.
Ezothando. And exactly, you cannot speak what you haven't heard. You cannot speak what you haven't experienced. So it's easy to talk about love because we experience it.
Sinokukhuluma ngento esicabangile.
Experience.
Yeah, for sure.
I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you. But now, just kancane on what you said, ukuthi ukukhula ngaphandle kwamama nobaba. So you didn't have that thing, seeing your mom and dad kissing or sitting on the same couch. And I know ukuthi mawuqala uba teenager, there are certain things that you become so agitated with. Yazi uma ifibela ubaba kube kwenzeka kanje. Have you ever experienced that?
Yeah, because as soon as ukhula khona izinto ezenzakalayo vele ezumjida. Mhlawumbe unocabanga ukuthi okay, if ubaba ubeke khona mhlawumbe ngabe wangidodisa like ukuthi ngikwazi ukumelana nalokho. Yabo noma yikuphi noma abe inkinga zothando noma abe yini, but like ezumjida uyakwazi ukuhlala ucabanga ukuthi okay, lokho ngabe mhlawumbe ubaba wangifundisa. Yabo, so for sure vele ukhona.
Okay. And then how did you overcome it? Do you have a chance now to bond with your dad, to bond with your mom, and then see them maybe? Okay, angiyazi abantu abadala bayasaqabulana phambi kwabantu. But ke such thing like njengokubabuka nje noma benza into yini manje ubona why usibeka lapho le-street hey siyathandana ke lezi.
Yeah. But like my dad passed away when I was doing grade 3 angisakhumbula ukuthi but like 2013, so
I'm sorry.
It's cool. Sekwadlula yabo. Yena ngiseyintwana yabo, so into esengayi like yadlula nje vele. So I feel like angazi vele ngiyithole lo chance ukuthi ngibone ukuthi uthando into kanjani, but for sure like into engangayijabulela nami uyibona ukuthi okay vele nami sengikhula ngibona ukuthi okay
kanti kwenziwa kanje
umuntu wesifazana uphathwa kanje.
Yeah. Like it's so crazy. I used to work at Pick and Pay many years ago, and then there was this couple bebethanda again and then they had 2 children, and jalo ubaba khona nje mabelentizana ethilini avela ba umama kwakhe amthi ba what's wrong? No. My dad do this all the time. It's a norm to them. So do you think it's okay for not ubanza per se, but is it fine if we see our parents kissing, hugging, cuddling, those type of things?
But phela khona izinto engafanele siyibone thina ezingane yabo.
Like kissing, is it wrong? Your dad not lamza, but
yeah, phela lokho ngakho, but like thina nje besinalento ukuthi even buku movie yabo once kwaqala kwaqatshulana bhala namehlo Wona uthi nawe ingane vele uzoshaya leshaqa leyo ukuthi. But into nje like esakhuliswa kuthiwa like yeah.
So when you get married, you wouldn't kiss your wife in front of your children.
Mhlawumbe phela isiphongo ke.
Hayibo. Guys, baby kiss imncwa. I see.
Okay. Yeah, very like a baby kiss.
Yeah.
Because vele mawukhula ziningi izinto like oqala kuyifunda khona. Ngimdala manje.
Yeah, exactly. You get it.
Khona izinto engangakwazi ukuzenza because ngineshow nomama nawe nokuba nayo lento ukuthi ngiyafisa ukubona nje umfana wami
ehamba nentombi.
But mina I respect uma ngalendlela ukuthi ngihlezi namanje ngisho ukuthi angifisa angibone nginentombi ngihleli nentombi yami inside.
Yeah, me too. I told my son that the day as was like imangitshela ngentombi yakhe, it's the day angitshela ukuthi uthumela umalume. Because now nisenza amamenemene ubuzwana nobusi senixabene nobusi sekuza uThembi sewuxabene njalo mina mawulokhu uza nabo fanele ngenze njani ngibe receptive.
Yeah, ayishabona
lapho ke sekuthiwani hey abo mama zala amamenemene. You understand? Shoot mina every woman uzozana fanele ngibonde naye. Yabona ukuthi akofe. So wenza kahle until you say ma sengiready ukuthumela umalume. That's the day umazobona umama umuntu wakhe imama yabo. And then Zulu is sesovala. There's this creativity when it comes to Zulu as you go all social media and there's batho likilela utlwa masolo masolo asethi babuwa ka lerato batho likilela utlwa masolo musolo ha o shela. Tell me about that thing. Is it something that you do when you grow up ukuthi mhlawumbe manihleli ngamajita nifundisana indlela yokushela ngoba amaZulu are very good elimini bayashelela. And then there's this thing again ukuthi intombi ayilahlwa. Is it those things that you guys manihleli niyazifundiswa ngaba abasebekhulile kini or kanjani? Because Zulus are very passionate when it comes to kushela. They're very romantic.
Yeah. But like angeke ngisho mhlawumbe ukuthi into like esayifundisa khona ezinye izinto like uyifunda ngokuyibona.
Okay.
Like emakhaya it's more of like akekho thina sasingafundisana mhlawumbe abanye babefundiswa mhlawumbe yabo. Thina it was like a thing ukuthi manje dasiyoshela. Awazi na ukuthi ukushela uzokwenzani ukhulumeni but ngoba phela bekukhona izinto ekuthiwa ama video nani khona le story nje sakwaduma nje lento ukuthi keke la keke like into maqhuma inyamazana sikhona nje yabozo kwezinto lezo. So besibona sisisebenzisayo but like thina as amaZulu like sakhula nje sisebenzisa ulimi kakhulu. So if nje noma athi uyoshela mina uma ngikhumbula kahle nje into engangicabanga ukuthi okay so finje ngimncome kumele umuntu uqale nje umncome mfethu uwenze show ukuthi mhlambe uba naleso noma athi ubecasukile phansi uyakwazi ukumshintsha indlela akayiyona
izitho zakhe engathi unyathela ngabantwana
uyabona like nje isiZulu siyisona siyithambele mfethu
I'm telling you know what ne cuz now we living in a world where we just say hi how you doing, my name is Black Vein, I'm in a bit of a rush right now, can we talk later, can I please have your numbers? And that's it. And then from there you just say hi. From hi we are dating. You haven't even told me how you feel about me and why did you ask for my numbers for? But ngesiZulu like it's very nice.
Indlela esekwenzeka ngayo manje it's a bit different because kubukeka awkward isikhathini samanje futhi mawushela ngalendlela ukuthi usateketisa yabo
bayaboreka bogel bafuna umuntu owoke
abakhona phela mhlawumbe abakuthandayo but esikhathini samanje sokwaba nalento ukuthi hayi akusashelwa yabo
wangisungnika ama number akho.
Mina I believe ekuthenini bethu umkhandi umuntu wakho yabo udlale ngamagama nje umenze because easy come easy go.
Thank you. Did you hear that guys? Like ngifuna ukutshela story. I remember ngangise Bree ngangifakela ingubo nje Nkosi yami that day. Yo lo futhi loyana yo wangikhuzela azange ngishele kodwa indlela wayengicoma ngayo la futhi ehamba emva kwami wangincoma ngathi oh God why kanti bonke abafana bangasisheli kanje ke yazi yafuthi angimkhohle maybe into eyenzeke 4 years ago but even today yazi yabona ukuthi ngize ngiyamomozela namanje because how he said it was more like he took his time, you know. And thina abantu besifazane guys, there's something you don't understand. I'm going to talk on a female perspective because you're males, I know you have your insecurities too. We have our insecurities. And finding that guy ozoncoma umkhaba wamathigiza yokumfudumeza nkosi you get it
shout out to that bro
you get it those things that we don't like dlala ngamagama nami angisho ukuthi ngimoshe phela ngoba mazolo ukuthi umkhaba wami igiza ngizoze ngiyeke uzofikela. I'm not saying that, you know, but find ways to make me to feel like umuntu wesifazane like abo ubhuti omdala Big Zulu no Sjava, they made women, thick women, to love themselves when the basicity is you understand. That's what I'm saying. Yes, what I'm saying is but now you should understand it was always seen like abantu aba sexy, abantu aba slim, even on my social media, even in my magazine, models were the only people that were accepted by community or defining a word, it's sexy. But finding abantu abafana nabo Sjava bon, abantu aba believe even thick women matter. It played a huge role. So please guys, sheleni, it's okay.
Do the right
show us. And then if mina umuntu o interested when uzokallow ukuthi umshele. So don't lose that. Don't feel ukuthi manginikeza inamba yakho sozo texta uthi hi babe ngingiphaphile. But ke ngiyabonga kakhulu Msipho Mnyama ngibonga isikhathi sakho. I'm rooting for you. I love. I'm gonna find that link. The link, it's a link because ngayithatha from Instagram. Ngayisendela uSoprano. I'm gonna find it. I love your craft. I love ngiyakuthanda ke because uyathanda nokudlala. Bengibheke this music video yenle like you were playful. I love that.
Me I'm always like that. Even on my videos like this bro like that's we are it's like skanjalo sonke vele sihlezi nje sidlala mase serious futhi serious.
Yes man. Ngiyabonga for ukuthi unginikeze opportunity. Yabona ke manje mase ulapha yana nabo ubhuti omdala nami ngizosho nami ngine evidence ukuthi ngingahlala naye, but ke I believe that this is not the last time sihlala kuminyango kusekhaya. If there are updates, please let us know, let me know. And uye wangimangaza mawuthi how kanti wedwa kulento. Yes, I'm alone, but ke I'm with the Reason Nation. Those are my brothers, that's my family, and I appreciate that I got a chance to get to know you. Your craft is beautiful. I'm rooting for you, and I want to say nami ngicela ushika malama. Your mom.
Oh, mama.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, what I am Hlonipha.
Yes, umama ubani.
Ujabulile
Nxusa. Mama ujabulile Nxusa. Sithandwa Sam, thank you so much. You are a great example to other parents because isikhathi esiningi abantwana amandla bawathatha kuthina. That is why kuye kuthiwe umntwana akekho umuntu amkholelwa njengomzali wakhe. So what I've heard right now about you, uNkulunkulu akusikelela ngakusika akubusise, because we need such things. Our children, they really need affirmation goods. And if there's something that doesn't go right as planned, and then if bano plan B, let us be there. Abantwana bethu yithi sikhona uba builder, yithi sikhona uba breaker. I hope nabanye abazali out there who have abantwana ba talented and all that, hearing the story and they see potential emntwaneni, even if mhlambe nawe awukaliboni kahle, but umntwana nje udinga that thing from you ukuthi usho I see you mntana, I'm here, I'm going to support you. That's all they need. And I want us to break this thing yokuthi our children, they don't function well ngoba baba abekho. Here's a good example here. here's a good example. Siyabonga nabogogo labo nkosi yami abahlala bethatha igxathu thina masihamba sithi siyophanda isinkwa, who are always there for our children, because of these are the good examples that we see from those things. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu, cela ni subscribe, nihambe no subscribe phela na ku Black Vein, nihambe niyobheka i-craft yakhe ku BLAQVEIN, umsipho mnyama ke guys. Na Unscramble Life with Sli guys, I say again, we are here because you are here. Cela ke nongeka subscribe right now, subscribe, ushare, ucomment. If kuna anything that we didn't add right now, please kuma comments you can ask. Uzobe khona nayo Black Vein, uzobe active ukuphendula imibuzo yenu. If you want to see him again maybe in the next 6 months, ngoba lo muntu yasebenza so sizo lokho ubuso bakhe, we need it more and more and more to get updates and everything. Ngicela mawuqeda to subscribe laphayana uzobona kune bell laphayana yama notification, so that every time when we pop a new episode you are there to witness. Siyanthanda kakhulu, inkosi inibusise, inkosi nisikelele, inganisiki. Okamampinge ke umntwana umbhalo kaqosha umntwana ingabe nobo efuna bantwana sekaphumile hamba nonxusa. Sinthanda kakhulu and we out.
Life no be straight line. Unscramble life we see. Come tell your story, be free. Yeah, tell, yeah, who? Wabrabonu, yeah, then, and so healing. Unscramble life, we see. No shame, just clarity. From broken pieces to peace, we dey heal, small, we dey breathe. Everybody get a story with them hide, smiles outside, but tears inside. Waka said be strong, don't cry, but pain, no, they listen to pride. Bra, kasa, my ente, ukuma munsemina. Enya, unkwana wote, we all dey fight something inside. No judgment, no disguise, just truth under open skies. Piece by piece, we go rise. Healing no be overnight. Unscramble life, we sleep. Come tell your story, be free. Yeah, too, yeah, who? Wabrabonu, yeah, then, and so baby. From heartbreak to second chance, from silence to finding voice. Every scar get meaning inside. Every soul deserve a choice. Sleep day or retail, not to judge but understand. Take your time, speak your truth. You go rise, just take a hand. Bit by bit, day by day, light go find you on the way. Even darkness no go stay. Hope they come, make you no fear. Oh, oh, Unscramble life we see. This be where you find your peace.